and welcome to Kathleen Color. I just got the new Lilac St do-it-yourself lash extension starter kit. These lashes are supposed to be easy to apply and last up to 7 days. And today I'm going to show you how I apply them and give you my review of this product. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified when I post new videos. Let's get started. So it comes with this cute little case, and in the case, you are able to pick 3 different types of lashes. You can pick 12, 14, or 16 millimeter sizes and different styles as well. I picked the Midnight, the Icon, and the Volume because I like lots of volume. It also comes with a conditioning primer, lash glue, and you can choose between black or clear, a crystal coat, and a remover for when you're done wearing your lashes. And last but not least, this great little tool to help secure your lashes. Before you begin, make sure you have plenty of time to apply your lashes. There is a little bit of a learning curve and you don't want to be stressed trying to get out the door. The first step is to make sure everything is ready to apply, especially the lash clusters. The lash clusters are all glued to the package, so if you pull them directly off the package, you will ruin the cluster and it will separate. To avoid ruining your cluster, take your applicator and go up under each cluster and then pull it up so it loosens from the package. Do this to each and every lash. This will make applying much easier. Once you loosen the lashes, pull up and out and detach each lash so they are ready to go. My lashes are super straight, so I curled mine first. Next, apply the glue. Brush a light coat on the underside of your lashes and wait a few seconds for the glue to get tacky. Then, grab a cluster with your applicator and attach it to the underside of your lashes. You can do it from outer corner to inner corner or inner corner to outer corner. Just make sure that each lash cluster is overlapping just a bit and that they are very close together for a seamless look. Keep attaching until you have gone all the way across. Give each cluster a little pinch to fuse the lashes together and then finish with the crystal coat. This will help remove some of the stickiness and tackiness of the glue. You can refresh your lashes as often as you like with the crystal coat. Here's the final look. Let's see how long they last. It's been 7 days and so far I am really impressed with this brand and these lashes. But it is now time to take them off. As you can see on my inner corner, some of the segments have started to fall off. So let me show you the easiest way to take them off. Take a cotton round and add some micellar water or an eye makeup remover. Place your cotton round on the lashes so that it gets saturated. And just kind of start to wiggle it around. You're also, and as you can tell, one just came off super easily. And just keep doing that, where you just kind of let the lashes sit there and just kind of go down the lashes. And it should slowly start coming off. Then I go up underneath the lashes and just let it sit for just a few seconds to a minute or two and just kind of work the glue in little strokes off the lash. And then they just slowly start coming off and it's completely off. Super simple, super easy. If you are looking for do-it-yourself lash extensions, I highly recommend this kit. It's a lot easier than going to a salon, a lot cheaper, and although there is a little bit of a learning curve, they last up to 7 days. Thanks for watching. You can follow me on Instagram at Kathleen Color. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Remember, life is better in color.